Let me show you how I made this amazing cocoyam and this nice pepper. You're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you're once again welcome. First, you need your cocoyam, which you have to peel and ensure to wash your cocoyam. Okay, very very important. You know it has a lot of sand on it, so after peeling, especially if you don't wash it before peeling, it becomes a bit dirty. Okay, so you want to wash it thoroughly, and this is how I washed mine. And after washing this for the first time, I went ahead to wash it for a second time again before transferring this into a pot on the fire. So this is after the second wash. Now let's go ahead and just transfer this into a cooking pot. I transfer it into a cooking pot. This is very very simple to make. Okay, from the pepper to the cocoyam, it's so simple to make. And I added some egg to cook together. I went ahead to add some tomato, onions, and pepper. Okay, I want to cook these onions, these vegetables before grinding them. Okay, I'll add some salt to taste as well. Yes, it's very, very important to add salt. Do not forget, if you feel your water is too much here, just take some off. Okay, so you don't boil too much and then everything just peel into the fire. No, you do not want that. So just make sure that you take some of the water off if you feel it's too much. And it will disturb you when it boils. Okay, now that our vegetables have pre-cooked a bit, all we will do is just to take them from the um, fire, and then we are going ahead to allow this to cool for a few minutes while we before grinding. Yes, after this, just cover your pot and allow your cocoyam to take its time to cook. So just ensure to grind it. With this, I do not really want to grind it until everything is fine or smooth. I just want to have this texture, and this is perfect. I introduced my onions, I grinded them until they are also smooth. Now at this time the cocoyam is very soft to my taste, so we strain the water and then set it aside while we work on our pepper. Now all I did here is to add my tomato. If you feel the pepper here is just too much for you, don't worry, reduce it. Okay, you can use one pepper, two pepper, any quantity you prefer. Okay, yes, but this is just perfect for me. I added some fermented fish which I smoked a little. I just grinded it together with the pepper, just that, so it gave it this amazing taste. You will love it. Added some salt to taste. Ensure to add your salted fish before your salt. Okay, if you add your salt first, you might not like it. Maybe the salt will become too much. Okay, all I'm going to do here is to heat some palm oil or red oil in a frying pan. I have this salted fish, salted tilapia, which I've already washed and worked on. Okay, I only wash them and remove any other thing that comes with it. I'm just frying it here to cook it a little. I'm setting this aside and I'm going in with my salmon. Yes, I'm adding salmon to the pepper. And with this kind of pepper recipe I'm giving you here, if you do it, your pepper will just taste like stew. You know, you've pre-cooked everything, so this will just taste like stew. You do not feel the whole fresh pepper kind of thing. Okay, to give you these stew vibes. Yes, it's just going to give you this stew vibe. After I flip it for some time, I'm just going to add my onions to it to also fry for some minutes, and then make sure to stir. Okay, and don't overcook your or don't over fry your onions, else they'll get burnt and you don't really see them in your pepper. Okay, this pepper tastes so good, very very good. Just give it a try and come and testify in the comment section. Okay, if you haven't subscribed at this stage, baby, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell notification icon so you do not miss out on any video I'll post in the future. If you do not share this video? Why do you want to enjoy this nice recipe alone? Share the video, okay? Share it to your loved ones so they also tend to enjoy or learn something from this channel. Now let's just add our eggs, which we've already cooked, okay? Yes, if you're a Ghanaian, you understand that with this recipe you can't go wrong with an egg. And now our cocoyam is just ready and all is set.